Welcome to our video, Top 6 Must-Have Outdoor and Smart Gadgets. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Outdoor Folding Stove. This outdoor folding portable cassette stove is a must-have for camping and trekking enthusiasts. Built to be compact and lightweight, this all-in-one gas stove integrates portability and efficiency, making it ideal for outdoor cooking. Whether you're boiling water, preparing a meal, or brewing a quick cup of coffee, the high fire output delivers reliable performance in various conditions. The stove is compatible with standard butane gas canisters, ensuring easy refueling and maximum convenience. Its sturdy design and efficient fire control make it a great companion for backpackers, hikers, and campers. Plus, the foldable structure ensures you can pack it easily without taking up much space in your bag. Durable, reliable, and designed for the outdoors, this gas stove brings comfort to your camping trips like never before. Number 5. JOYBOS Induction Trash Can. For smart home lovers, the JOYBOS Induction Trash Can is here to revolutionize your waste management. This sensor-powered smart garbage bin has an automatic lid that opens when it detects motion, ensuring a hands-free and hygienic experience. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or offices, the trash can has a sleek design that complements modern spaces while providing an innovative solution to everyday mess. The 13-liter capacity makes it spacious enough for daily use, and its waterproof construction ensures durability even in humid environments. What sets this apart is its automatic packing feature, which keeps everything neat and clean with minimal effort. If you value hygiene, privacy, and convenience, the JOYBOS Induction Trash Can is the ideal upgrade for your home. Number 4. Xiaomi Mi Band 7. Stay connected and monitor your health with the Xiaomi Mi Band 7. This global version smartwatch is packed with impressive features, including heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, fitness tracking, and more. Number 3. Smart Erasable Notebook. Say goodbye to wasting paper with the Smart Erasable Notebook. This innovative A6-sized notebook is reusable up to 1,000 times and is perfect for taking notes, sketching, or journaling. It's designed with synthetic materials for a smooth writing experience and works seamlessly with colorful erasable gel pens. What makes this notebook truly unique is its wet and hot erasable functionality. You can clean the pages using a damp cloth or simply erase your notes with a hairdryer. It's like having endless pages without ever needing to buy a new notebook. Plus, with apps like Cam Scanner, you can scan, upload, and save your notes to the cloud, ensuring they're always accessible wherever you go. Environmentally friendly, portable, and smart, this reusable notebook is a game changer for students, professionals, and creatives alike. Number 2. Survival Folding Knife. The Survival Camping Folding Knife is the ultimate multi-purpose tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Made with durable 440 steel, this pocket multi-tool combines a knife, fork, spoon, bottle opener, and wine corkscrew into one compact design. Whether you're camping, hiking, or in need of a reliable EDC gadget, this versatile tool has you covered. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it a must-have for emergencies and outdoor adventures. From prepping meals at camp to opening bottles and performing quick fixes, the Survival Folding Knife is built for durability and convenience. It's the perfect companion for adventurers, survivalists, and travelers who value practicality and preparedness. Number 1. 30-in-1 Survival Tool. Topping our list is the 30-in-1 Multifunction Survival Tool, a versatile and compact gadget designed for the outdoors. This tool combines multiple functions, including cutting, measuring, repairing, and opening bottles, all in a sleek pocket-sized form. It's made with high-quality metal for durability, ensuring it can withstand tough conditions while remaining lightweight and easy to carry. The 30-in-1 survival tool is perfect for outdoor activities, camping, and emergency preparedness. Whether you're tightening bolts, measuring materials, or popping open a beverage, this multi-tool has everything you need in one place. It's the ultimate survival companion for adventurers, DIY enthusiasts, and campers looking for an all-in-one solution. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.